Hey, this is Alex Brooks. I'm going to share with you 6 email flows that you absolutely need if you're starting email marketing with your business. But first, before we jump into the list, if you know anybody that can benefit from these videos or they are trying to start out with their email marketing, please share this video with them. And also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So, email marketing is a powerful way for you to maximize your revenue as an e-commerce owner or any type of brand. And the reason why is it allows you to get the most value from any advertising channel that you're doing or any other way that you're bringing leads in the door, because it allows you to build relationships with them. And it doesn't mean that people are going to purchase from you necessarily right now, but with consistency and building your relationships using email marketing, they're going to come to a point where they are ready to purchase with you. So let's jump right into the 6 workflows. So the first flow is the welcome series. I always tell people this is just like building a one-on-one relationship. This is an opportunity where your audience is just getting to know you, and now you can share things about your brand that may relate to them, that builds that connection, things that they're really interested in, things that you may view in the same way as your audience. So this is the time to show your personality, tell a little bit more about your story, why you're doing what you're doing, what makes you unique, what makes you fun or exciting, whatever that connection point is. This is the opportunity to do that. And this is how brands can start their relationship with the audience. So having that welcome series is critical because it's establishing the foundation for the relationship that is to come. So number 2 is your re-engagement series. What I like about the re-engagement series, it allows you to segment and break people into groups for people that are still interested in your brand versus the people who are not, and also the good and the bad emails. This is really a sifting series that allows you to identify who you should continue to send emails to and who you should stop sending emails to. So having this is absolutely critical because it creates the segue to how you're going to keep your list clean and make sure you're focusing on the most engaged people in your contact list. So number 3 is the post-purchase series. What's powerful about the post-purchase series is this is the time to take that relationship to the next level. They've already made a purchase from you. They have shown that they trust you, and now it's up to you to take that relationship to the next level, be a little bit more personal, share a little bit more about the brand, or educate them on the thing that they just purchased, wherever that case may be. This is your opportunity to take that relationship further. And what's cool about the post-purchase series is it also creates opportunity for more sales down the road. Not that you need to push a sale right away after somebody makes a purchase, but this shows that you're being consistent of how you want them to experience your brand before a purchase and during a purchase and after. So it's critical to have this in place because it builds relationships and it sets the tone for repeat business. And that's what you want to make sure that you're doing, because where you're going to make most of your revenue is not on new customer acquisition. You actually make the least on that. Where you're going to make your most revenue is those customers that have come back to you over time, over and over again. So this post-purchase series sets the tone for that. Number 4 is the cross-sell or upsell, however you want to phrase it, for depending on the type of brand you have, and if you have clothes or items that complement each other, this is a great opportunity to try to put additional products in front of your audience that may be relevant to what they purchase. You know, the best time to get a customer to buy more is when they've already bought from you. So this is an opportunity to dial in, look at the items that they've purchased, and figure out what items are similar or could complement these items. You'd be surprised at how many companies don't do this, and this is one of the most powerful ways you can get your average order value up. You know, I'll give you this example may seem cliche, but McDonald's has made billions of dollars because they always ask, do you want to drink with that? Do you want to shake with that? Do you want fries with that? They're upselling. It's a part of their sales process. I actually talked to a client recently, and they originally had some pushback on cross-sell and upsell. And the thing that I told them was, if you're trying to get somebody to buy your product, why wouldn't you put a complimentary product in front of them. The worst they can say is no, and they've already purchased for you. So you're not spending more dollars to get more revenue there. So again, the cross sell and upsell needs to be a part of your email marketing workflows that you start out with. Number 5 is the abandoned cart flow. If you are in retail, you're in e-commerce, and you don't have an abandoned cart flow, then you can't be really serious about what you're doing, because a lot of customers that go on your site are going to be extremely busy, and they may want to purchase from your brand, but they may have a million other things that they have going on. And if they have a million other things that cloud in their brain, they could be right in the middle of a transaction with you and forget or get distracted, and they don't complete that. So it's your responsibility to follow up with them and say, hey, I know you're extremely busy. Is this something that you actually want? And I want to make sure it's easy for you to purchase it. You'd be surprised at how much revenue you can generate from the abandoned cart flow. In fact, e-commerce brands lose about $18 billion on abandoned carts. So if you don't have that a part of your flow, then you're not taking your e-commerce business serious. And number 6 is a little more complex, but it goes a long way. You want to have an email flow that targets audiences based on the pages they visit within your website. So if you send them an email and they're going to the t-shirts page versus the hats page, you should be having personalized campaigns to follow up with them. In fact, one of the cool ways you could approach is carve out, a handful of buckets that people from your audience go to visit on your site. And when you see that data come in from your email marketing reports, you need to create buckets based on that. So again, those are my 6 tips, my 6 email marketing flows I recommend for any business that is looking to venture out in email marketing, especially for the e-commerce brands. And again, like I said earlier in this video, if you know anybody that can benefit from this, please feel free to share with them. And if you like this video, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.